Hi, I'm Damien Spry from the University of South Australia. Let's talk about the Marketing and Communication degree from UniSA Online. UniSA's online marketing and communication degree equips you with essential marketing and communication skills that are in demand by industry. From advertising and market research and analysis to PR and content creation, you'll develop a broad and diverse skill set across all facets of marketing and communication roles. We've designed this degree in the context of a changing digital landscape. As new channels and technology continue to evolve, you'll graduate as a leading-edge marketing and communication professional with all the skills to adapt quickly to new developments. You'll learn the latest trends in digital marketing and social media, and will discover why organisations are increasingly turning to online advertising to reach new audiences. Not only is this degree accredited by the Australian Marketing Institute, it's also informed by above world-class marketing research from groups such as the Ehrenberg Bass Institute, which means your degree is highly relevant and valued by industry. A career in marketing and communication can take you in several different directions. You could pursue an analytical role, working with data to uncover insights and trends, or you could choose to go into a communication role with a focus on writing and content creation. This degree will open up many career opportunities, no matter what industry you choose to work in. Our degrees have been designed for busy people on the go. All your course content is 100% online, which means there's no need to come onto campus. You'll have the flexibility to work while you study, get all the support you need, and download software and resources for free. And that's just the beginning.